Hi, my name is Jonas and now I show you the inner bags for the Blizzard 2. The inner bags for Blizzard 2 are designed to make packing and unpacking easier and more comfortable when traveling with soft saddlebags. They allow you to remove all your gear in one go without taking the saddlebags off the motorcycle. Ideal when setting up camp or checking into a hotel. When traveling off-road, the outer Blizzard 2 saddlebags often get very dirty. The inner bags solve this problem by keeping your gear separate from the outside luggage, so you don't have to bring dusty or muddy bags into your tent or accommodation. Simply pull out the inner bags and leave the saddlebags on the bike. The inner bags are made from a PVC-free material, which is water repellent. This means it is no problem if you take them out in the rain or place them on wet grass. Your gear stays protected. A carrying handle makes it easy to remove the bags from the saddlebags. And for longer distances, the light shoulder strap, which is not included, can be used to carry your gear to the hotel or tent. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, reach out to our local Enduristan partner or contact us directly. Have fun on the outdoors.